Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 6R, and today I would like to show you how you can change the display refresh rate on this device. First of all, go into Settings. In them, you need to click on Display section. Then select Show Screen Refresh Rate over here and tap on the best option for you. I will go with that one. Now when I click on the back button, as you can see, refresh rate of my smartphone has changed. If you wish to, you can always go into Tab menu as well and click on Refresh Rate shortcut. Now tap on one of those options to set up the best one for you. And now it's applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!